Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick preview for February. February will be InCoWriMo, which is basically International Correspondence Writing Month, and I will be participating, and I hope you will participate with me. Basically, this means that I will be writing a letter, sending a card, sending a postcard every single day for the month of February. Now, if you would like to participate as well, I have my email address below, and what you can do is reach out to me with your name and address, and I will be sending out a postcard or card or letter to you as well this month. So in addition to this, I'll be creating content that has anything and everything to do with snail mail. We'll be talking about how to find a pen pal, how to set up a mailing station in your house, and how to create some really beautiful pieces of mail. Now, I will also be having a giveaway at the end of this month, and there are two ways that you can enter. The first one is to go to the giveaway post over on Instagram and tag a friend. Now, you can tag as many people as you like, but it will be one entry per person, so keep that in mind. And the second way that will get you 10 giveaway entries is by purchasing one of my mini correspondence kits. Now, the giveaway itself will be a large correspondence kit, which I'm going to show you guys in just a few moments, but the mini versions are basically a lot of the same materials, but just fewer of them. So they will be $5 a piece. It is going to be PayPal, friends and family. Shipping is included in that, but basically that is going to be a mixture of handmade envelopes, cards, postcards, washi tape, and some other goodies that I'm going to throw in. Now, they are in limited quantity, so if this is something that you would like to purchase, there's an email address again down below. Email me, let me know, and we'll get that set up. So here's what you could win inside of the giveaway. So the first thing that I have is one of my envelope books. I also have several handmade envelopes that you'll be getting. Put those here. And then some handmade envelopes that have yet to be decorated. So they are just the scrapbook paper at the moment. All right, you're also going to be getting some glassine envelopes. You're going to get 2 of this granite style and 2 of this gold scallop style. You'll also be getting a few postcards. And then you're going to get tons and tons and tons of actual cards and envelopes. So I'm going to show these to you now. Ignore the person yelling outside. So these are all the square ones to start. And then some smaller ones. That one's got a really cool holographic lining. Some thank you cards. This one that I've actually decorated the envelope already. This one actually has a shaker inside. And some more postcards. So there's going to be some Paris versus New York cards. These are from Night Garden. These are actually the watercolor Color Yourself. And these are from the Color Yourself tattoo postcard set. And then one more of these that kind of goes with the other one that you saw earlier. You'll also be receiving this stationery set from Daiso. It comes with sticker seals. This is the lining of the envelope and the stationery. It's actually quite cute. Let's see, there are 12 sheets with 6 envelopes. You'll also get this scroll. You actually untie it and you can write and then rewrap it up and send it to a pen pal. You're gonna get some sparkly pens. These are glitter gel pens. And then the very last thing is you're going to get samples of my favorite washi. And they are going to be samples. They won't actually be the entire roll, so keep that in mind. And I'll show you what those look like now. Edit, edit, edit. This one actually has a backing as well. This one says life is an adventure. This one actually matches the stationery set. And this is the last one. I hope to see you guys in February. I hope that you will also participate in InCoWriMo with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!